Welcome back to our part two of our video series for this week. So, in part one, we covered the real estate, news impacting the real estate market. If you have missed that, go and watch part one. And in this video, we'll cover the GTA market trends, average selling price, and mortgage rate changes.
Yep.
So let me share my screen. Okay, so those of you who are new to our channel, we just want to define what GTA means. GTA means Greater Toronto Area, and it comprises of the 5 regions: Halton, Peel, York, Durham, and the City of Toronto. And those small rectangles you see inside, those are all the municipalities within these regions. And basically, our session basically covers the data of real estate data trends across GTA. So that's all we cover in our session, in our video.
Okay.
Okay.
So, having said that, this is the data that we want to present. So basically, the same 3 parameters that we are tracking: active listings, new listings come to the market for that week, and the sales or transactions. So as you see in the graph, the blue line, which is active inventory, the current inventory, it is gradually coming down. The new listings, it's gradually coming down again, and sales transactions gradually going up. So this is the trend that we are seeing from the data. From the number wise, you see the 3rd November, as of 3rd November, the current listing is 24K643. So it touched the 25 or 26, I would say, even in the week of 22nd September. If you see, it was 25K849 listings were there. Now we are sitting at 24K. So it's not a big change, but it's gradually coming down, that we can see week over week. But even the new listings, we did see that around 5K listings came into the market in some of in few of the weeks in the past, but now it is in and around 3K or 3.5K that brings. So the last week it was only 3,057 listings came to the market. And from the sales standpoint, the transactions, there were 1,467 transactions happened last week. So that's again it changed. Not a big change again. It's gradually going up. The sales are picking up. That we can surely say that. And even that's what we did talk about in the previous videos as well. But we'll get to know from the Max what we can expect. Like is it the actual trend? Are we seeing any changes? Are we do we really think that it's gonna slow down because of the winter months kick in soon? So we will come to know all of these things from Max. So Max, please, can you please help us here? Like,
Absolutely, yeah.
Do we have more buyers in the market? Do we have more sellers? So what do you see there?
Definitely, there is more buyers. Only thing is, because we know that there is a lack of affordable housing in GTA.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely, Mark, there are more buyers out there. But then the problem is for them to be, once the rate cut comes in, they have to qualify and they have to like. So it takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the market confidence to come back and slowly trigger more transactions. And again, we are getting into the winter months. Typically, things gets slow down there. But we, if we get based on December 11th announcement, if we get another 50 basis points, I'm pretty sure spring market is going to be pretty different.
Okay.
There will be a lot of transactions, and even if you look at the current trends, it's if you see the number of sold, even though it's not significant, it's going up. Transactions are going up. Active listings is coming down. Even new listings are coming down. So
Okay.
So that is what is going to happen in the coming weeks and months.
Okay.
If you are in the market to buy, this is the right time to get yourself qualified and see you can get a deal for a new property that you wanted to buy in. And as soon as more rate cuts come, more buyers get into the market, and then,
Right.
there is more demand and there is less supply, the price goes up.
Mm-hmm.
So folks who are on the fence and based on the rate cut and will go over the mortgage rate, if you can qualify for those mortgage rates based on your income and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
wait, jump into the market, and we are happy to help you find the property you need there.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. So one question here, like, do you see any change in the sentiments for the investors as well, or is it the first time home buyers are more in the market right now?
Mostly it's the first time home buyers and people who are upgrading and
Mm-hmm.
downgrading. When
Mm-hmm.
it comes to investors, not so much, because money is if you money is still not cheap. It's coming
Mm-hmm.
down,
Coming down,
and
yeah.
for them to stabilize, and unless you have money sitting in the bank and it's not paying you back, you can scope up. Or else, I think investors are little. I don't think, depending upon, to find a property that is really cash flowing is not there yet. But yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. That helps. Thanks, Max. So I think we can move to our next slide.
Okay. So this slide is about average sales prices. So here, what we did here is basically we all the realtors have an internal portal to get the average sale price in any area. So we selected GTA, and
Mm-hmm.
we have put all the asset types, like detached homes, semis, townhouses, condos, everything. We put it in there and said what is average. So
Mm-hmm.
this is what the system said, that the average selling price is 1.163. Okay. Now, this doesn't mean what the property that you are going to buy is, it's going to cost that much. No, it depends upon the neighborhood and the type of asset class that you want, or type of property you want to buy. So if
Okay.
you're interested in any neighborhood, and you want to know what is the average selling price, reach out to us. We'll be happy to show you real time what are the selling prices in those neighborhoods. That way we can cater exactly to you, so that you can make an informed decision about various properties selling in different markets. So this is just the overall GTA price that the system showed us, and
Mm-hmm.
we are sharing it here.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so that covers that. And now the next section is about the mortgage rate changes.
Mm-hmm.
So from the mortgage rate front, a good news, right? So we got a rate cut, 50 basis points rate cut on October 23rd. So
Yeah.
our prime is at 5.95 now.
Okay.
And because the prime came down, all the interest rates under variables also come down. So basically, it's calculated prime minus whatever it is. So if you look at
Mm-hmm.
the 5-year variable, it's all green. Green means there's a reduction in mortgage rates compared to the previous weeks. Yellow means there is no change compared to previous, and red means
Mm-hmm.
increase from the previous. So there are no reds. There's only yellow and green. And looking
Mm-hmm.
at fixed, all the fixed fixed rates are based on bond yields. It has nothing to do with the prime rates or the policy interest rate, right?
Right.
So pretty much, if you look at here, there has nothing major change in the bond yields. So pretty much, it's holding same compared to previous weeks. Pretty much yellow, mostly on mid fours for
Mm-hmm.
insured, insurable, and uninsurable uh, um, terms.
Yeah.
Similarly, for 1 year fixed and 3-year fixed, pretty much it's still holding up. For 1 year fixed, the rates are high. It's at mid 6.1, 6.3, and 6.3. And
Mm-hmm.
3-year fixed is again mid fours, 4.49, 4.69, and 4.74.
Right.
So these are just the posted rates. So if any of you are interested to know more about what you qualify for, we'll be happy to connect you with our mortgage agents, and they will run your file. They'll do your credit check. They'll do your income verification, and then they'll tell you what is the kind of mortgage you can afford based
Right.
on your background and your underwriting. So that way what are the which market you should go into to buy a detached home or a semi-detached, or depending upon where to buy. So we'll be
Yeah.
happy to help you on those fronts. Reach out to us. You can email, text, WhatsApp, whatever, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys in any shape or form.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. I think that's what we wanted to cover for this video.
Yes.
Yeah. So please, like our videos, subscribe to our channel, because we are getting a lot of data here. I'm pretty sure that whoever they're in the market or interested in the market, they are getting actual data. I mean, they're getting some critical information about the market with these videos. So if you are getting benefits out of it, please like our videos, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to our channels. Yeah, so that's what pretty much it is. We will see you guys in the next video.
Yes, in 2 weeks we'll be back with more
Yeah,
latest trends.
right.
Until then, this is Max Thomas
This is Vincent Matthews.
signing off. Stay safe.
Stay safe.